Welcome to Civil Engineering Department, College of Engineering, Pune. This is the entire Civil Engineering Department section. Entering to the Civil Engineering Department, this is Civil Engineering Department HOD's cabin. These are some other faculties' cabins. This is waiting area. These are some other faculties' cabins. Here's the Civil Engineering Department meeting room. Welcome to Transportation Engineering Lab.
These are the various instruments which are used for testing of bitumen, then aggregates, then paving blocks, and whatever materials are used in case of highway engineering, and Marshall stability test, Los Angeles abrasion test. Then we have prepared some instruments for research purpose. Then there is CBR test apparatus also. This one is CBR test apparatus. Then we have the O1, and this one is the RTFO, rolling thin film cone. This is RTFO. Then there is CTM. CTM चा okay. CT तू जवळ आहे माझ्या. Then ductility apparatus. Then we have the O1 freeze, and now let us enter into the bitumen section of our department. There are so many advanced instruments which have been procured for the PG as well as PhD programs. Many students are working on the advanced instruments related to bitumen section, and this is DSR recently purchased 1 year back, and go for intervals. And here it is Brookfield viscometer. Then there is homogenizer. So there is rotary evaporator, okay, and contact angle measuring instrument. So yeah, focus on this. Tar viscometer. Then we have flash and fire apparatus. Then penetrometer, bitumen penetrometer. Then this instrument we have fabricated here at COAP with the help of the students as their project. We have a small store for dissertations as well as important volumes. Ductility apparatus. Then we have a small O1, that is thermostatically controlled water bath. Then these are some of the projects which we can see. These are prepared for concrete and which have been made by the students. Then we have relative viscometer over here, viscosity grade. Then we have the mastic apparatus. Then we have the skid resistant instrument. Then Benkelman beam apparatus. We have a core cutting tool also. We have a core cutting tool, and this is a generator which is used so that the field tests are also performed. This is the automatic compactor. Then we have the mixer which is used for mastic asphalt. Then this is a new setup which is prepared for the PhD student, which is the pyrolysis unit, which is used for PhD student. He was awarded the PhD degree recently.
Additional faculty cabins. Plumbing lab. Yeah. Environmental engineering laboratory.
This is the applied mechanics department. Our students, a very old universal testing machine of capacity nearly 1700 kilonewton. This is a computer lab. Most of the NDT equipments are kept here. NDT equipments that we have: digital concrete test hammer, resistivity, corrosion analyzer, ultrasonic pulse velocity. All the NDT equipments are there. State-of-the-art NDT equipments. Welcome to our engineering mechanics lab. Fire testing machine, analysis of 3D forces, impact testing machine, Los Angeles abrasion testing machine. These are the equipments we use for creep measurement in cylinders, reaction in beams, belt friction, and we have a digital CPM, that is the jaw pressure and cutting machine.
Come to the fluid mechanics laboratory. Reynolds apparatus, orifices in tank, then Bernoulli's apparatus, then venturimeter and orifice meter, impact of jet experiment, and this is tinting flume. This is wind tunnel where the experiments related to the submerged object is conducted.
This is our document library. This is our various books. This is our reading room. These are our faculty cabins. MTech classroom. Close up.
Welcome to the geology lab. This is the geology lab which we cater to the students of civil engineering, and this is the infrastructure of the geology lab, which consists of all the requisite specimens as per AICTE norms and as per the curriculum of College of Engineering, Pune.
Similar.